In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix gray local files on Spotify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to check your file format to ensure that your local files are in a format supported by Spotify. So the supported formats are MP3, M4P unless it contains video, and MP4 if you have a QuickTime installed on your computer. Now ensure local files are enabled, so open Spotify in your computer, go to Settings, and click on your profile picture and select Settings. Scroll down to Local Files and ensure the toggle is switched on. Now ensure the folders containing your music files are listed and enabled under Show Songs From. Now, ensure the files are in a location that Spotify can access. So move the files to a standard music folder, like your music folder, if they're stored in a restricted or network location. So sometimes rescanning your local files can resolve the issue. So disable the local files toggle, close Spotify, reopen it, and then re-enable the toggle. Next is you want to restart Spotify. So close Spotify completely and then reopen it. So sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Next is ensure that you're running the latest version of Spotify. So check for updates and install them if available. Next is you want to remove the source folders from Spotify setting. Restart Spotify and then re-add the folders. Next is check for DRM protection. So ensure your local files are not DRM protected as Spotify cannot play these files. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.